Are you sleepy?
Yeah, little. Have you done yet? I'm very sleepy now.
Not yet. I just started to eat like 4 minutes ago.
I want to stop these sleepy things.
You can make a cup of hot coffee.
But I don't know how to make it.
Search then on YouTube video.
Okay, I'll try.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss. Hello, Miss. Welcome to our video. Nice to see you. Before we start to our presentation about how to make a cup of hot coffee, let me introduce ourselves. We are from the group team number 2 from 12 Social 1. My name is Mila Agustinas dari Arun.
My name is Alfian Tanjung.
My name is Cici Radhika Teguh. My name is Putri Amalia. My name is Saudara Zaira. And we go to how to make a cup of hot coffee. See you!
The ingredients: sugar, coffee powder, and hot water.
The tools are a spoon and a cup.
First step, put the sugar into the cup. Next, put the coffee powder into the cup. Next, put the hot water into the cup. Next, fill in until well.
And the coffee is ready to drink.
Hello, Miss. Thank you for watching our video. We are sorry for any mistake that we've been done, but we hope this procedure can help you to make a cup of hot coffee.
Thank you. Goodbye, Miss. Let's drink coffee.
It's over. Make a cup of hot coffee. It's easy.